Spas were once healing places for the sick. Now the customers are mainly young people looking to recharge their batteries. Investors have cottoned on to the trend. They're busy renovating existing baths and opening new ones. Bernet is on his way up to the top of the Rigi mountain in central Switzerland. High above the clouds, the businessman's developing a mineral bath and spa at Rigi Kaltbad, a place of pilgrimage in the 16th century because of its healing waters. Bernet hopes that the building, designed by star architect Botta, will help to make bathing as significant as it was in Greek and Roman times.
Right from the beginning, this was conceived as part of a series of thermal baths. The idea is to popularise bathing, not wellness. That's not what we're aiming at.
Botta's design for Rigi Kaltbad foresees a spa complex flooded with light and made from natural building materials. It'll be connected with the hotel hostelry, so guests can visit the spa in their bathrobes. Swiss TV asked the architect what he thinks of the spa building boom.
I
think there is a certain hedonism, a search for one's own beauty, a trend towards narcissism. This fits in with the rediscovery of the culture of bathing, which was a feature of all big hotels 100 years ago.
Potential investors visit the building site.
There's a shower over there, a relaxation room here, and here in between is a huge steam bath.
Building is going according to plan, and the complex should open in July. The spa in the former Hürlimann brewery in Zurich was Bernet's first project after giving up his post as manager of the baths run by the Migros supermarket chain. Here you can soak in the bubbles while looking down over the rooftops of the city centre. This is Bernet's latest spa bath in Samedan, right next to the village church. Bright tiles on the facade hint at the colourful design inside. Köbi Gantenbein, editor-in-chief of the architecture magazine Hochparterre, is an absolute expert on thermal baths. Swiss TV met him at the newly built spa in Bad Ragaz.
From last century up until the 80s, people visited thermal baths because of health problems. They hoped to get well and get rid of their aches and pains. Then the tide turned. The new trend is for healthy people to visit thermal baths so they can stay healthy for longer.
Some thermal complexes, like this one, are like cathedrals. Architecture experts say the whole trend started with Peter Zumthor's famous spa in Vals.
There was the pre-Vals period, and now we're in the post-Vals period. Peter Zumthor, together with the community of Vals, developed a brand new kind of spa, and that wonderful building was a role model for other spa architects.
There are plenty of spa projects all over the country. In Baden, a traditional spa town near Zurich, Botta is designing a whole new thermal bathing district. But won't the market soon be flooded?
I think it already is. There are loads of projects floating around.
If there's a spa around every corner practically, then the baths won't be full. Costs will spiral out of control, and the spas will go bust.
Bernet is aware of the dangers and plans to stop building after the next two projects. Unless a real bathing culture develops, of course, as in Roman times.